Okay, it's pretty sad. I fucked up. I broke my drone. Well, I broke the arm of the drone, the DJI Mini Pro 4. To be exact, I broke the axis or shift axis of the front arm. I ordered this part from Amazon, but unfortunately this is from DJI Mini 3, not the 4. I couldn't find anything. There is no goddamn thing for the DJI Mini 4 Pro at this moment, unfortunately. I crashed this drone and I'm recording this video almost 1 month after I crashed it. So I still don't see anything on the DJI Mini 4 Pro in terms of like parts. So like, let's assume you break something, right? You cannot find anything. That's the thing. That's like fucked up. Anyway, I ordered this and let me show you what I ordered. That's the part that I ordered. And unfortunately, I'm not sure if the camera is going to focus on this, but this is the axis of the front arm. Basically, it's responsible for folding the arm up and front, or like front and back basically. But this thing, it has some difference. See this angle? It has some kind of like curve. On the DJI Mini 4 Pro, there is no curve, unfortunately. So I was thinking maybe I can just replace this thing. First of all, I'm going to avoid the warranty, because I still have warranty, right? I just like bought it basically like 1 month ago. I bought like in the end of the September, and I crashed it like in October like 8, October 6, I believe. So I was thinking, okay, if I replace by myself, I will avoid the warranty and everything will be on me. I might not able to operate this drone until I get the exact part for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This is for DJI Mini Pro 3, right? So that's the one thing. So it costs like $25 or $28 Canadian. Not that expensive, but still, if I do this by myself, I can I can fuck up even more. So I sent this back to DJI customer service for repair. And they did repair it actually. It took me like 5 days to send this back. It actually went to Ontario, Mississauga, surprisingly. From Calgary to Mississauga. Okay, they received it, and I'm going to show you in few seconds what they found. From my point of view, I think I didn't do anything wrong. I was operating in the normal circumstances, right? So it was flying like 50 centimeters from the ground, and it stuck to the twig, small twig. It could not, for some reason, I don't know what the fuck happened, but it could not avoid this obstacle, even though I did not press anything on the joystick. I literally said just go from the back to the front, that's it. And I did this maneuver. So I assume that maybe it was trying to avoid big twig and it selected small twig. So this is where it crashed, right? And falling from the 50 centimeters from the ground, it broke this, I don't know how to say, but it just pisses me off. It broke this very important fucking thing that is responsible for controlling and folding the arm. Basically, I'm not sure if I put this detail, maybe it's gonna create like different angle and it's not gonna be like the same as like Mini 4. I don't know, maybe I could have done this by myself and save like money. Anyway, they charged me 65 or 66 American dollars, which in Canadian it equals like 94. Well, it's still less than 1600 that I paid for this, because I got this with the extended battery, like Fly More Combo Pack or whatever it's called. I'm sad and I'm happy at the same moment, at the same time, because they fixed it. They charged me less than the price that I expected. Yeah, good job, DJI. But at the same time, I don't really feel that it's my fault. The only fault that I see is I took it in the forest, but I took it just for the test. I wanted to test 360 degrees obstacle. What the hell are you doing, DJI? You put this advertisement that you have like 360 degrees and blah blah blah. Okay, I was testing this 360 degrees. And yes, I agree, I did not buy this extra warranty that covers any damage, right? Like drop into the water, drop into the woods. I was really relying on marketing. I was really relying on promise from DJI that it's going to avoid all obstacles 360 degrees. And it wasn't that bad, I was thinking. But it appears it was so bad that it just crashed from 50 centimeters and broke its arm. This is what pisses me off. And I documented all of this. Hey DJI, can you look at my videos and see how I operated? I documented everything. And I don't really think it's my fault. But I don't want to fight for this like $94 and like calling them and explain, oh, this is not my fault. I don't have this time really. What I really pissed off about is just, this is drone. This is expensive toy basically. You don't have to advertise this, that it has 360 degrees obstacle avoidance without like real testing. I did real testing. I did this in the forest, I did this in the park. It crashed like 6 or 5 times, I don't remember how many. But this is in my previous videos, right? You saw this, I proved this. So anyways, I paid this money and I'm expecting to get this in a few days, I believe. It's going to be sent by UPS. They fixed it. I'm really happy. Kudos to the engineers and fixers. But still, it's not perfect drone. This is what I can say. I'm going to use this drone when I get it back as drone that can fly everywhere except trails, forest trails. Let's pretend this is the camera that can fly as a tripod in the air. Like basically it's a tripod in the air. You can put this in any position that you wish and do some cool shots, right? You can go down, up, left, right, whatever. But I'm not going to risk going through the forest trail when there is like less light, low light, high light. I don't want to worry about all of this shit and crash this again and pay for another repair or pay for more expensive repair, who knows. So I'm not sure if I can get extra warranty after I receive this. Maybe I can, maybe I cannot, I don't know. I need to contact DJI to get this information from them. Maybe I should get in touch with marketing department to figure out like what's going on. I'm going to show some videos and some screen recording for like DJI repair, for payment and for whole procedures. So this is the repair.dji.com and this is the email and quotation that I received. Basically it's the same as in email. So my customer name, my case number, when it was done, shipping address, and yeah, so well, yeah, I think in Canadian dollars it's gonna be around 100 or almost $100, which is still cheaper than the whole drone itself that I paid $1,600 including taxes. Well,
Okay, let's pay. Kinda happy and sad at the same time. I thought maybe they could just fix it for free, because I think it's kinda not my fault. Let's pay. Credit or debit, Visa. Do they have PayPal? Okay, they have PayPal as well. Get a code, so it's gonna send the code to me. Yeah, as I expected, it's almost $100. Well, 94. little small. Alright, yeah. Canadian dollar is getting lower and lower. Complete. Payment successful. Poor DJI Mini 4 Pro. It's getting paid for. Okay.
Maybe I should get some protection for the next flight, because I don't want to rely on this obstacle avoidance bullshit, you know? Like, yeah, it has obstacle avoidance, but you cannot take this drone into the forest with a lots of twigs, trees, pine trees especially, because what I've discovered, it recognizes regular trees with the leaves, which is kind of funny. If it's a pine tree or the tree that doesn't have leaves. In my case, when I crashed it, it crashed into the tree that didn't have leaves, right? So it was like small twig, basically. Wasn't even like pine tree. But anyways, maybe DJI didn't have proper test and proper environment to test this drone. I basically did the job for them. Maybe in the next generation or next firmware, they make some fixes so you can recognize like not only trees with the leaves but without leaves as well, and pine trees with the needles, right, instead of leaves. I mean, okay, they have lots of drones. They have like professional grade drones, like for like $10,000 and up, for like, I don't know, architects, firefighters, rescue teams, right? Maybe those drones, they have like more power, more obstacle avoidance sensors, more rugged, right? But this one, don't expect too much from this Mini 4 Pro. I mean, I like this drone. The video quality is super awesome. It's fucking great. Don't get me wrong. But it's very fragile. It is, really. I just proved it. Anyways, see you guys when I get this drone back.